Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Friends, I have this AC return vent grill and it has two hinges. See this hinge here, this hinge? This is good. On this side the hinge is bad, it's broke. So it will not go stuck. So what I did, I first thought of making a hole here with a drill, with a hole here and a hole here in this part, and then use a screw to screw it in. But then I found a solution. I found a magnet from Home Depot, from Home Improvement Store. I found a magnet which is this, 2-pack magnet. Okay? It's called Magnet Source Ceramic Block Magnets. And the dimensions are 1.875 inch by 0.875 inch by 0.375 inch. So I can just take one of them. See, this is rectangular, right? It fits nicely. I just attach it here, put it here. Now if I want to make it more strong, I can put one here in the middle. But I think one is enough. Just go here and then this one. This one is good. Now if this one breaks in the future, then I have another magnet. I will use the same technique and attach it like this. Now if I want to open it, I just open it like this and this comes down like this. To close it, that's it. This is how it's done. It's much better than some other videos where they tell you to buy a specialized magnet which is described as suitable for AC return vent, but they cost $25. They have two magnets, one goes inside, one goes outside. It's $25. This one cost me only about $6. Okay, so this is a great solution, and please write your comments and enjoy. Thank you. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.